This video explains the Honda Sensing 360.
The existing Honda Sensing was equipped only with a front sensor camera. Honda Sensing 360 expanded the sensing range by adding a total of 5 units of millimeter wave radar in front and each corner of the vehicle, providing further assistance to the driver.
This module explains the lane change collision mitigation function, a new addition to the Honda Sensing 360. In the animation and later in the video, we will explain using actual operation footage.
This is the order of explanation. Let's start with components and system description. The system consists of the front sensor camera, front radar, front corner radars, rear corner radars, left, right BSI alert, combination meter, lighting, turn signal switch, integrated control module, SRS unit and other components. Lane change collision mitigation is a function where the system alerts the driver to hazard through sound and meter indicators and assists steering for collision avoidance while drivers drive. If they are about to make a lane change and there are risks of making a contact with a vehicle behind approaching from a blind spot. The function, unlike BSI, is the system that adds steering assist and improves safety during a lane change. Next, let's take a look at the operation of the function on an actual vehicle. The operating conditions may vary depending on the model. While driving, the front sensor camera unit recognizes objects and lane markings ahead. Using millimeter wave radar, it displays the presence of other vehicles within the detection range behind the adjacent lane on the blind spot information indicator. When there are risks of collision with a vehicle behind during a lane change, it warns the driver using indicator lamps, buzzer alarm and visual alerts, as well as assists steering for collision avoidance. Let's look at the video again. Lane change collision mitigation function also gets activated for motorcycles. When drivers make a lane change, it detects motorcycles approaching from behind, warning drivers via indicator lamps, buzzer and visual alarms, and assisting in steering to avoid a collision. In summary, lane change collision mitigation function detects a vehicle approaching from behind, and when there are risks of collision with a vehicle behind during a lane change, it warns drivers and assists in steering toward the avoidance direction.
Please refer to the owner's manual for detailed operating conditions of the lane change collision mitigation function. That is all about our Honda Sensing 360 lane change collision mitigation function. I'll see you next time.
Safety for everyone.